The following functional exercises are very important and effective for preparing the prosthesis wearer for everyday situations. For this exercise, the prosthesis wearer takes an exercise ball in both hands and lifts it overhead. Next, the hands have to be pushed up from below in an alternating fashion, with the instruction that the pivot point of the ball should remain stable, while achieving an extension movement of the upper body. Depending on which arm is being pushed up, the body weight should be shifted from one leg to the other. The prosthesis wearer amputated in the area of the pelvis has to control the prosthesis with the abdominal and back musculature only, so that they need to be particularly well developed. It is also important for the user to learn how to stand on the prosthesis and maintain his or her balance. It is also important for the user to learn how to stand on the prosthesis and maintain his or her balance. Proper balance is an important prerequisite for the prosthesis wearer in order to walk safely. First, the user should learn how to stand on the prosthesis without a lot of concentration. Exercises that distract attention from the lower extremities are suitable for this purpose. For example, one can toss a balloon to the prosthesis wearer, which is then bounced back using the hands. The same exercise can also be performed using a ball. Here, the response time is shorter, and so the degree of difficulty is higher. These are good initial exercises in order to shift weight and put an even load on both legs. After the prosthesis wearer learns how to stand on it securely, various challenges can be added. The rocker board should stand between parallel bars for this purpose. Walking on the rocker board is an excellent exercise to maintain balance on the prosthesis. The therapist can manage and control the movement of the rocker board using his or her foot. A gymnastics bench may be used to further increase the level of difficulty. As a rule of thumb, the smaller the supporting surface, the more challenging the exercises are for the amputee. In order for the user to learn how the prosthesis responds in certain situations, various instructions can be given for positioning the feet, for example within a coordinate cross applied to the floor. To stabilize the stance phase, this exercise should be conducted with corresponding weight shifts between the legs.